Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 low FPS problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here, and after that go to background apps, and then make sure to turn off the first option that you will find here, and then go back, and now go to GeForce Experience, and then go to drivers, check for updates and make sure to install the latest update, and then just go back, and then go to graphics settings, and then enable graphics settings and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.